In a separate video, we explained how to install a vertically mounted J-frame main breaker onto an NQ panel board. In this video, we'll be explaining how to install UL67 US service entrance kits. The first step in the process is to install the lower barrier, which is the smallest piece in the kit. There are two tabs that stick out the back side of this. These go toward the breaker. There's an oblong hole in the breaker mounting pan, which is used to insert the first tab. You then rotate it down and snap it into place. The second barrier, the larger barrier, has two tabs on the front that engage into two openings in the main breaker mounting pan. Rotate it down and snap it into place. Remove the knockouts in the front of the barrier based on your cable size.